Hey, federal workforce family, Lydia Taylor here. And it has been an eventful last several days. I know you're seeing the headlines and I know you're feeling the heat, so I'm going to jump right into it. We have 1,350 plus State Department staff who just received RIF'd notices. There's that Supreme Court shadow docket order in McMahon versus New York, and the Department of Health and Human Services is separating employees right now. All right, let's take a breath and break all of this down plain and simple. We'll start with the State Department layoffs. So on July 11th, over 1,350 employees, including 1,107 civil service staff and 246 foreign service officers, received layoff notices as part of the administration's mass federal workforce reduction. And this impacts nearly every bureau in the agency, from consular affairs to policy planning. Many employees were told that their positions are being abolished effective immediately, while others have 60 days to separate. This accounts for nearly 15% of the State Department's domestic workforce. McMahon versus New York. What is that? It is the Department of Education case where the Supreme Court quietly stayed a district court order that would have reinstated thousands of DOE staff. That stay came via the shadow docket, or the court's emergency orders process, which allows fast, unsigned decisions without full briefing or oral arguments. Now, these orders don't resolve the merits of the case. They only decide whether to pause or allow action while the appeals play out. They have allowed action here. All right, Department of Health and Human Services sent out an all-staff email stating that with the Supreme Court's stay in place, their RIF's will proceed and impacted employees are separated effective July 14th, which was yesterday. Official separation letters and benefits termination notices are expected this week. But again, this doesn't mean the RIFs are legal, only that the courts have not ruled on it yet. So here's what I want you to hear, guys. Yes, you are scared. You should be. I understand. This is real. You're seeing your friends and your colleagues, and some of you personally, lose paychecks overnight. Morale is at rock bottom in the federal government. No, this is not the end, though. None of this says that the mass layoffs are lawful. The lower courts are still in the mix, and litigation is still very much alive. The shadow docket just pushes deadlines. It doesn't decide winners or losers. We are on it. At Southworth PC, while we're committed to keeping you informed, at the end of the day, we're not journalists, we're advocates. We're digging in, we're researching, we're tracking updates daily, and we stand at the ready to protect you and your rights when the time comes. So you're not alone here, and you're far from powerless. We're here to answer your calls, file EEO complaints, file appeals, do whatever it takes. We're prepared to fight, and we've got your back. Now, here's what you should be doing. Save any layoff notice or separation email. Every document matters. Document everything. Who told you what, when, and why. Keep very detailed notes. This is important. Please take care of yourself, your mental health, your finances, your peace. Don't shut down. Reach out and talk about it. And please remember, we're still in court here, guys. We're still fighting. Updates are coming every day, and we'll make sure that you get them first. Finally, never discount how strong and resilient you are. You will get through this. Yeah, we lost a couple battles here, but take a breath, gather your strength, lean on us, and lean on each other. Please like and follow us for continuous updates and information as it unfolds. We're here. We're not going anywhere.